Hey everyone, here is lesson 7, level 5, choosing your own adventure with nested if statements. This is the last one in level 5. The superhero battles, and I think it might be easier if I go through a completed example with you instead of typing it out as I go, because there's a lot of moving parts in this. So here is a completed example. So in the theater runner, again, now let's review what we want to do first. So we want to go in the battle scene, and we want to write the get battles method, and we want to find and return a 1D array containing all battle objects where the main character matches the first character and the enemy character matches the second character. So we've kind of done that already. We've just been returning the number of those objects, but now we kind of have to do that and build the array. So not a big deal. Let's see what they've given us. So we've got this, we start with this this array of battle objects called battles, and we are going to take main text and enemy text. So here's my main text, Batman, Batman, Batman. And here's all the enemies, Joker, 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 Lex Luthor, oh my gosh. So there's all those things there. I wonder what the rest of these things are. I don't know what's going to happen. Don't know what's going to happen. So here is the battle scene class. And this is where the get battle method is. And let me change my font size a little bit to make it easier to see. So first things first. First things first. You know what that is doing. That part of the method is actually counting up how many battle objects have the main character equal to the first character and the enemy character equal to the second character. So I pass the first character and second character to this method. And this part is just counting up how many matches there are between main character in first, enemy character in second. So now the way all this stuff works is it goes line 39, line 40, line 41, line 42. It keeps going. So I've now have this variable number of battles set. So I know what my number of battles now is. It starts at 0, but when I get done with all this stuff here, it's going to be something else. And I'm going to use that something else to create an array of battle objects that is empty. And the number of empty spaces is going to be the same as the number of battles. That's what that's doing right there. And then I create a results index. I would prefer to call that, well, it's results index. So it's the results of that. I was thinking battle index, but I guess results index is better because it's the name of that empty array that we've created that has the same number of spaces as the number of matches there are. And so here is a traditional for loop where we are looping through the battle objects, and we go through those battle objects and we say current battle is the first object or the object at that index. So the battle is named up here, battles. So that's where that is down there. So what I'm doing is I'm looping through. I am taking the first battle object in that list and setting it equal to current battle. Then I'm checking if the current battle, if the main character in that equals the first character, and the enemy character in that equals the second character, then what I want to do is I want to take that results array, that empty one I created right there. I want to take that results array, and right now the results index is 0. I'm going to take whatever that battle object is and put it there at index 0. And then I'm going to increment the index by 1. And so then I go back up here to the for loop. And I keep going. So this index here, this for loop, is taking me through this battles array. And I go one at a time. So then I go the if statements, check to see if the characters match. If they do, I put it in the results array. And I increment the results array by 1 so I can go to the next element in the results array. And so let's see what ends up happening when I do this. What is that? I want to run that again. I missed something here. Let's see. Wonder Woman, 6 battles against Ares, and let's see what was in our theater class. And let's see. So I passed it Wonder Woman and Ares. Got it. So it tells me how many there were. So I think I wonder if I did, what will it let me do Batman? No, it's view only. So it won't let me change it to Batman. But anyway, this kind of works the same way on the front page. We've seen that a couple times, so we're just drawing it. But that's kind of cool. But that's complicated. That is, I don't want to call it over-the-top complicated, but there's a lot of moving parts there. So it really tests your understanding of working through these nested if statements. So anyway, hope it's been helpful.